Hello guys, it's FX Trader here. Okay, so today I'm going to talk to you about what is liquidity, how to spot liquidity, and how to play, how to manage a trade using liquidity. All right. So first of all, liquidity basically is the move that the banks leave after a big move. Okay, so let me explain to you. Let's go on the gold for an example. Okay, so a liquidity sweep basically will look something like, let's go on the 4 hour time frame. Personally, I am using the 4 hour time frame and the daily time frame. Liquidity sweep will look something like this. Okay, this is a liquidity sweep here. Okay, so basically you got this first candle, which is this first candle, okay, and the second one need to sweep this liquidity. Okay, so the liquidity basically is the wick. So this one is the liquidity. For liquidity to for a liquidity sweep to occur, you need to have this type of thing, okay, this candle to close above, leaving another trace of liquidity, okay, which in this case made a supply zone. All right. So this is clearly a liquidity sweep, candle closed above the liquidity sweep. Okay, to enter a valid trade, you drop your time frame either on the 15-minute or the 30 minutes, whatever you want to, it's like you want. Okay, after you spotted your liquidity sweep, this is your liquidity sweep. You want to spot a market structure shift. Okay, so this is my market structure shift. Your market structure shift needs to be above a liquidity, which are the wicks right here. You need to have a closure with big momentum above a liquidity, because if it only do this, something like this, in return leaving a wick, it's only a sweep of liquidity, which in this case could fail on the downside. Okay, so here we got a big momentum um, on breaking the market, doing a market to shift. Then after you want to identify your zone. Okay, so most of the people are going to trade an FVG. Okay, so here was our FVG, and basically normally personally when I'm using the FVG, I'm entering at 50% of the FVG. Okay, your stop loss, you can put it wherever you want. You can put it like this below the FVG. You can put it at the rejection, which are the wick, or the body closure, which will be right here, the body closure right here. All right, and after, it's a game of aiming at liquidity. You can go on a higher time frame to spot bigger liquidity. In this case, this was our first TP, this second TP, this one third TP. Why? Because all of this is basically liquidities. All right, so I'm gonna apply liquidity, liquidity, and liquidity. There you go. This place, you shall know, boom, you are inside of it. You want to aim at all of those liquidity. Also, you can aim at this one, but for the moment, the trade we got out. So this is an example of liquidity sweep. This was a 1 to 3 risk to reward. So that's an example. Let's do another one quickly. All right. um, right here we got another one perfectly. Right here. What is this? That's a liquidity. After you got some more confluences, if you want to add some, okay, so this was your liquidity sweep. What did we do? We swept the liquidity on the downside, which was right here. We did a market to shift. We break the last high, body closure with big momentum, okay, and after finding your MSS, you want to enter inside of an FVG, which in this case we had this FVG and this second one, okay. Of course you do have this one, but this one you don't need to have any retest because it already filled this zone, meaning if the graphic fall through this zone again, maybe it's gonna break and just reverse it. The less touch you have inside of an FVG, the better your trade is. After, what is the thing? You want to find liquidity for your TP. Okay, so like here, where is your liquidity? And that's a liquidity right here. This is big liquidity. This is again liquidity. So these were your two TPs. Okay, so this was, let's say you enter after a body closure, which was right here, you enter at a 50% of an FVG. Stop loss, you could have put it under the FVG or at the little liquidity. Normally I'm using this like that, and you want to aim at some liquidity, right? So this was your entire trade, which was making a 1 to 29 or a 1 to 4 risk to reward. So this is how you can catch some trade using liquidity sweep. It was FX Trader, and I'm happy to have teach you this.